Mahal na araw daw. Mahal na araw, Martin.
Kana, Brian.
Brian.
Lalo ang next yun, nakakalutaw na tuloy. Tapos pala.
Next yun?
Tapos mahal araw rin.
Hindi naman maiwan sa Okay,
RCC.
Will you highly organize?
May chance po ba tayo maging matalo sa personal?
First of all, I want to greet all the personalities here in HTC, especially celebrities, who participated in this activity.
Parang ang dami dyan, dalawa lang kayo.
If our city will be highly urbanized, sige ka lang kami. If our city will be highly urbanized, and your question is, magiging matalo pa rin sa personal?
May chance.
Yes, 100% chance that all the people here in Palawan is matalo in personal, because being highly urbanized has three factors of having tarik sa personal. First, richness. If you are rich, you will be mataray. Second, beautification of their nutrition. Because majority of the people here in Palawan are ugly, like me. So if I think to this side, there's a sense of taray-taray na po. And third, being educated, because by having urbanized